Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today's theme is ordering food at a restaurant. In this video, I will speak very slowly and clearly. It's perfect for beginners. Are you ready? Let's get started.
Good evening. Welcome to Bella's Italian restaurant.
Good evening. Do you have a table for one?
Do you have a reservation?
No, I don't.
No problem. Would you like to sit by the window?
Yes, please.
Perfect. Right this way, please. Here is the menu. I'll be your server today. My name is Sarah.
Nice to meet you, Sarah.
Can I get you something to drink?
What kind of juice do you have?
We have orange, apple, and fresh lemonade.
I'd like a lemonade, please.
Great. Are you ready to order?
What do you recommend?
Our pasta Alfredo is very popular.
That sounds delicious. Wait, I have an allergy. Does it contain nuts?
No, it doesn't. It is safe for you.
Perfect. I'll have the pasta Alfredo, please.
How is everything tasting?
It's delicious. The sauce is very creamy.
I'm so glad to hear that. Enjoy your meal.
Thank you so much. Excuse me. Check, please.
Of course. I'll bring that right over.
Can I pay by credit card?
Yes, absolutely. Just insert your card here.
Is the tip included?
No, the tip is not included. But it's up to you.
I'll add 20%. The service was excellent.
Thank you so much. That's very kind of you.
Have a great evening.
You too. Come back and see us again.
Let's review some useful vocabulary and expressions from the conversation. Table 4. Use this phrase when you enter a restaurant to tell the staff how many people are in your group. Example: do you have a table for one? What do you recommend? Use this when you are not sure what to order, or when you want to know the best dish in the restaurant. Example: everything looks good. What do you recommend? I have an allergy. I'm allergic to. Use this to tell the server about foods you cannot eat for medical reasons. Example: wait, I have an allergy. Does this dish contain nuts? Does it contain? Use this to ask about the ingredients in a dish, especially if you want to avoid something specific. Example: does it contain any nuts or peanuts? How is everything tasting? This is a common question from servers to check if you are enjoying your meal. Example: how is everything tasting? It's delicious. Is the tip included? Use this to ask if the service charge is already in the bill, or if you need to add it yourself. Example: thank you. Is the tip included in the bill? How was it? If you enjoyed this slow English lesson, please subscribe and give us a thumbs up. What theme should we do next? Tell us in the comments. See you next time. Goodbye.